Why Shiba Inu can hit $1 any moment from now. Yes, the truth still remains. It is going to be difficult, but Shiba Inu only have one big option in order to gain a massive increase in price. Of course, if Shiba Inu within the period of 1 year and half can gain millions of percent, who is saying that Shiba Inu cannot gain another 100,000% or 200,000% increase? Well, what you need to know right now is that Shiba Inu needs to burn. Shiba Inu needs to burn trillions upon trillions of Shiba Inu tokens. That alone is going to help the price of Shiba Inu to gain a massive increase in price. In fact, what will be holding Shiba Inu backward these days is because the circulating supply of Shiba Inu is really much. In fact, Shiba Inu have almost 550 trillion coins in circulation. Now, if Shiba Inu can really burn over 530 trillion coins, let's start from there. Believe it, Shiba Inu must have gained over 10,000% because Shiba Inu is going to be scarce. A lot of people are going to be demanding for Shiba Inu coins, and that alone is going to increase the price of what Shiba Inu. Now, one thing you need to understand about Shiba Inu is that right now Shiba Inu have gotten the community, Shiba Inu have gotten the social media engagement, Shiba Inu have gotten the partnership, Shiba Inu have gotten the exchange listing. In fact, almost all any crypto company have actually partnered or listed Shiba Inu. Well, let's keep hoping for the best. Let's keep hoping for the best to still happen with Shiba Inu. Of course, Shiba Inu can hit $1. It is possible, but that can only happen if Shiba Inu can burn trillions and trillions and trillions of Shiba Inu coins. Once again, remember, this video is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. Please kindly subscribe, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video.